Hey guys, this is Kevin from Dynomite Performance. This is one of our projects we're working on. It's an 05 Dodge Magnum with the 5.7 liter Hemi. We plan on doing a bit of work to it, and so far we've done the K&N cold air intake. Now K&N, they claim that this will produce 21 horsepower gain. So we've got it on the dyno today to see if that's actually going to be true. Now that's all we've done so far. We've only done the K&N filter. So this will give us a good idea if what they claim is actually true. So let's go around the other side and we'll have a look. See, we got it all hooked up and ready to go. Just hop up here and have a quick look. There's the filter. Now this one also fits the Charger and 300 of the same body style, the same years. So it is quite versatile, this one. There's our Dyno RT module that we've got hooked up. So we're ready to go and give this a test. Now this one does have 267,000 kilometers on it, so it is fairly broke in. So we didn't get quite up to stock numbers, but there you can see our baseline. 267 horsepower and 304 foot-pounds. That's a third gear pull. So like I said again, all we've done is done the filter. So we'll see what gains we get, and we can attribute it to that. So just get the car fired up. There's my dyno control. Just clear the graph there to bring up the dyno gauges. So I'm going to go ahead and release the brake. Put it into gear. What's nice about this car is it does have the auto stick, so I can select the gear, which makes it much easier to dyno. So I'll just bring it up into third. Okay, we're into third now. So when I'm ready to start the test, all I got to do is press this green button and we're good to go. Okay, here we go. Done the test, stop the sample and hit the brake. You can hear the car slow down. So we'll just save that test. You can see we've done, well, we got 273 and 295. So we actually lost a bit of torque, but we gained horsepower. Now I just realized I didn't start that fan on the run we did, so I'm going to start the fan and we're going to try another test. Just trying to keep things exactly the same as we did with our baseline. So I'm not sure that's going to make a huge difference, but you never know. Okay, so take the brake off. We're into first. Try this again. Got my control module here. You ready? Stop the test. And we'll see what the results are. Well, actually a little higher. So that did make a little bit of a difference. 3 horsepower, so 276, and another 3 or 4 foot-pounds.